have constructed a railgun here, and so first off I'm going to go over kind of the science behind how it works, and then we'll see it in reality working. So the idea of a railgun is you have two parallel rails, and they're conducting and can carry current. So in this case we have the aluminum foil strips, and so just to show, we put voltage and thus current through these two rails, but connecting them to make a full loop of current, we have a conducting rod that goes across the two rails like this, and at each end we have magnets. Now the nature of these magnets when it's exposed to moving particles or moving charge in the current is that it creates a circular magnetic field around each of these rails, and that happens up and down both rails. So with applying Lorenz's law, which is the cross product of the current and the magnetic field, you actually produce a force. And so just to demonstrate is if you have a magnetic field like this going in that direction, and you have a current running in this direction, and these are perpendicular, then you automatically produce a force in this direction. And so since we have this loop, we also have current running across here, and then the same nature of that magnetic field is produced right here. And so when we have the current running this way and the magnetic field going around like this, we produce a force in general like this. But since the magnetic field is constantly changing, we actually generate a more rotational force, which then rotates the crossbar and moves it forward along the rails. So here we're going to see how that works. So you can see we've got the two super magnets on each end of a conducting little wire, and we set that across the two conducting rails out of aluminum foil. And just for clarification, on this end I have a piece of cardboard just to stop the magnet whenever it rolls down the rails. So we're going to attach it to the two 9-volt batteries in parallel, and there it goes. Just show another time. And there it goes again. All right, and that's how a railgun works.